Starting your own seeds indoors is one of the most rewarding parts of the gardening year, and it can save you a lot of money compared to buying transplants. But beginners often make a few critical mistakes that lead to leggy, weak seedlings or total failure. Today, I'm walking you through the process correctly, step by step. First is timing. Every vegetable has an ideal number of weeks to start indoors before your last frost date. Tomatoes and peppers need 6 to 8 weeks. Brassicas, like broccoli and cabbage, need 4 to 6 weeks. Squash and cucumbers only need 2 to 4 weeks. Start them too early and they become root-bound and stressed before planting out. Look up your last frost date, then work backwards. Next, choose the right containers. Seed trays, cell packs, or repurposed yogurt containers with drainage holes all work. Most cells should be 2 to 3 inches deep. Avoid containers that are too wide because excess soil holds moisture and can lead to damping off. Use seed starting mix, not potting soil. Seed starting mix is fine, sterile, and drains well. Potting soil is too heavy for tiny seedlings. Fill your containers, tap them gently to remove air pockets, and water before sowing. Sow seeds at the right depth. A good rule is to plant seeds 2 to 3 times as deep as they are wide. Very fine seeds, like lettuce, can be pressed onto the surface. Label everything immediately because you will not remember what you planted. Provide heat for germination. Most vegetable seeds sprout best at 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A seedling heat mat can dramatically improve germination, especially for peppers and tomatoes. Once seeds sprout, heat is less important. Then give them light immediately and lots of it. A sunny south-facing window can work, but a grow light 2 to 4 inches above the seedlings is far more reliable. Without enough light, seedlings stretch, turn pale, and become weak. Water carefully. Overwatering kills more seedlings than almost anything. Bottom watering, by setting trays in shallow water and letting soil absorb moisture from below, helps prevent fungal issues and encourages deeper roots. Finally, harden off seedlings for 7 to 10 days before transplanting so they adjust to outdoor conditions and avoid transplant shock. Starting seeds indoors this season? Tell me what you're growing in the comments. Subscribe to follow along for hardening off, transplanting, and early season care. If this helped, a quick thumbs up goes a long way.